Hello and welcome to your lunar eclipse. For this vinyasa, for this slow flow, we are going to be down on our knees every now and then. So if you need to pad your knees, by all means, please get a thin cushion or maybe a folded up towel that you can use to protect your knees. But nothing very heavy because we're going to need to shift it out of the way during the flow. So it's just something easy to move and easy to pad our knees with. So coming down on the mat. Now we'll just do this first round facing the camera so you'll see what's happening. Sit down on your heels. If you need to pad your knees, please pad your knees now. Interlace your fingers, right thumb on top, and press your arms up, inhaling here. Just open up without overly hiking your shoulders to your ears. Always just relax them down to neutral, not pushing them down, not depressing your shoulder blades. Either just down to neutral, squeeze them to the back, squeeze your armpits open and allow your arms to drift towards the back as I'm showing you now. Allowing the arms to drift towards the back. From here, bend your right elbow. Allow your arms to drift to the left side. Allow them to come behind the head as well. Bring your hands towards the center. Bring them, push your hands out towards the right side, circling up and back to center. To the right side, bend your elbows, drift your arms to the right side. A bit of a pushing and pulling between your hands. Behind your head, to the left side, and push it up. Now I'll just show you an option. Going back to the left side, if your arms are pushing, you feel like your arms are pushing your head forward this way, bring your arms in front of the face instead. Circling center, circle to the right side, and push up. And just one more. Out to the right side, circle center, circling out to the left side, and back up. From here, relax your fingers, release your fingers from their interlace, release your arms, bringing them to the back, rolling the shoulders. Now I will just set myself back up here at the back of the mat. By the way, crawl yourself forward into an extended child's pose. Deep, full breath. Tuck your toes under and push through the circles of your hands and the flats of the feet. Don't think about lifting the body per se. Just push your hands and your feet down into the mat and allow your body to be lifted up to your downward facing dog. Spinal wave here. Belly up, chest up, head up, and exhale down. One more. Belly up, chest up, head up, and exhale down. Right leg, thigh, pressing up to the belly, curling that leg high up into the body. Wave yourself forward, three-legged plank, and step your right foot through. Coming into a lunge. Left hand, you can use a block here by the way. Flat down where it was in our plank pose. Right arm curls up from the shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, and you're in this pose, in a low lunge or mid-height lunge with your arms in a vertical position. Top arm drifted to the back, looking at the hand, big circle. Down, looking forward, reaching forward, and reach back up. Reverse that circle. Forward first, making sure your back leg is nice and strong. Down, to the back, and up. Don't rush. Two more circles. Back, looking at the hand. Down, reach forward, and up. Allow the body to come into that twist. Last one. Forward, down, reaching towards the back and up. Top arm curls down. Back heel down on the mat. Allowing the feet to adjust here. Extend your arms as far forward towards the direction your right foot is pointing, and side sweeping lunge. Allow your body to move here gracefully, flowing. Feel that steadiness of your feet, but everything else is nice and flowing. Once you're back to your left side, stop and turn your feet. Back heel points up. You're in a lunge once again, but towards the left. Right hand flat down on the mat. Back knee is nice and straight without hyperextending. Contract your muscles. Use that back leg as a rudder. Left arm waves up. Twisting the body. Navel, sternum, nose in a closed belly twist. Don't allow your lower shoulder to sag down, by the way. Push through the length of your arm. Top arm circles back, down, forward, reach forward, feel that length in your side, in your back, in your gluteal muscle, and up. Forward, down, back, allowing the body to move, and up. 2 more circles. Back, down, forward, and up, forward, down. Full opening, back, full articulation, and up of your rotator cuffs. Top arm, curl it back down. Pushing through your arms, curl your left leg up into the belly. Bend your standing knee, drift back. Curling that leg high up into the belly, then bring that foot down and you're back into downward facing dog. Spinal wave, belly up, chest up, head up, and exhale down. Heels up, knees all the way down. Once they're down and you need to pad your knees, bring your knee pads under your knees right now. Untuck the toes and press back. Extended child's pose. Walk your hands to your knees and wave up back into our thunderbolt pose or seated pose. Roll the shoulders. Interlace your fingers. Press the palms up. Nice and long. Let's make this smooth now. Bending to the right side. Circling the arms either behind the head or, as we'll do in a bit, in front of the head and back up. To the left side. Behind the head, out to the right, and up. 2 more circles. To the right side, and let's try bringing the arms in front of the face. Bringing the hands in front of the face or the neck. Push out to the left side and up. Big circles of the arms. Left, center, right, and back to the middle and up. Release the arms. Just allow the shoulders to relax down. Allow the arms to relax down and crawl forward. Extended child's pose. Tuck the toes under, pushing through the circles of your hands and the flats of the toes. Allow the body to naturally lift up. Stopping in puppy pose, by the way, if you want this, or lengthen out in downward facing dog. 2 spinal waves, belly up, chest up, head up, and exhale down. 1 more, belly up, chest up, head up, exhale down. Left leg curls up into the belly, body weight forward, step it through. Lunge, low lunge, right hand barely moved from where it is. Left arm waves up. Exhale back with that lifted arm, down, forward, and up. forward, down, back, and up, back, down, forward, and up, turning the body forward with the arm down, back, and up. Top arm curls down, back heel down in the mat. Allow your legs to move, side sweeping lunge. That's 3. That's 4. And the 5th will bring us back to our right foot. Turn the feet, lunge. Take your time to set yourself upright. Left hand flat on the mat, right arm waves up. Top arm to the back. Give your body a bit of that twist. Down, forward, and up. Forward, down, back, and up. Back, down, forward, and up. Last one. Forward, down, back, and up. Top arm curls down. Flat on the mat, on the plank. Right leg curls up. Bend your left knee, drift back. 3-legged puppy pose. And lengthen your right leg down. 3-legged downward facing dog. Spinal wave, belly up. Chest up. Head up. And exhale down. Wave forward into your plank. Knees down. Untuck your toes. Chest all the way down, bending your elbows to the back. Don't bring them up. Just a moment here in your flat plank. Hands under the face, forehead on the back of your top hand, and adjust yourself on the mat as you need to. And shift your hips side to side. Just allow your feet to play and to shift side to side. From here, release your head from your hands and just flip over. Just flipping over until your back is down on the mat. Hug your knees close to the chest. If you have a ponytail, by the way, like I do, release your ponytail, release your hair so that your head doesn't slip on your ponytail. Hugging your knees close to your chest and draw circles with the knees. I like doing alternate circles with my knees straight away, but if you want to do a few rounds in a clockwise or counterclockwise and then balance it doing the opposite direction, you're welcome to do that as well. Bring the feet on the edges of your mat. Your arms can already relax in your Shavasana, walking your shoulder blades a little bit deeper into your back so they're nice and flat. With your knees, bring them together. Knees are together. This is supportive for the lower back. And you can come into your Shavasana in this pose. But if your lower back is feeling okay and you want to go to your full Shavasana, just incrementally walk the feet along the edges of your mat until they're nice and straight. And down on the mat and come to your Shavasana.